Hello guys, again, my name is Andrew, of course, and today we have this product. This is a wireless charging receiver. I purchased this from eBay. It cost only 1.5 euros and it is for iPhone. You can see the connection is for iPhone and iPhone 5 until the iPhone 7. And what is this? It can transform your regular iPhone to a wireless charging iPhone, and I will show you how to do that. And of course we need an iPhone. We have here the iPhone 7 and it's very easy. Just you can plug this into your iPhone and it will be very helpful with a case. Just install this case and you see we have this clear case. Of course you can use whatever case you want, whatever color, just like that. You can put it in the middle and still you can see the Apple logo if you are very fan for Apple. And then we need a wireless charging. I already plugged it into the wall and let's see if that is working properly. And voila, yes, it's charging. We got 52% and yes, it's charging perfectly. I will try to see from 0 to 100% how much time it will need to charge, and I will leave a comment down below to inform you how much is the time to charge from 0 to 100%. And again, you see the charger is in blue and is charging. Well, that was, guys, all the end of the video. How to transform your regular iPhone to a wireless charging iPhone. Thank you again for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my video is your choice, but definitely share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.